Alrighty, guys, this is James over at Delta Search and Rescue. I've got a lot of people online asking questions back and forth about how to quickly program these new Retevis Ailunce radios. These radios have built-in weather channel, which makes them worth every penny if you just wanted a weather radio. They're also they have a FM radio and a amazing battery that you can plug in with your USB port in the back and charge it in your phone if the power was to go out. So the price alone, these radios, I'm not sure what they're running lately, anywhere between $60 and $70, $80. I'm not sure. We just got a few of these to use as weather radios during storms, but we're going to show you how to quickly program channels into these radios. There's a lot of confusion about it. Let's make it super simple. First thing you need to remember is the channel control, where you change from channel to channel, is how you're going to scroll up and down in your options. So we want to put a channel in this radio. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to need to name it. Now there's several ways to put frequencies in these radios. I've found this is the easiest that we found. You want to first name your channel. So it's timing out. We have the timeout set to save battery life. So your first thing you're going to do is press menu. You're going to use your channel control knob up and down, or your arrows. Up and down arrows. It's easier, we've found, to just use the channel control knob in the middle. To go to radio, you go to radio, then you're going to click menu. In your menu, you're going to use your channel control knob once again to go down to number 10. There's number 10. Super simple. You're going to click on menu. This is where you're going to name your channel. All right, let's name a channel. You've got your numeric keypad on here. It's a shortened keypad. So remember, your 0 is over here. Don't start typing in frequencies and hit the 8 thinking it's the 0. It's over here. You can use another radio that has the alphanumeric keypad on it to know what you're typing in as you go along. All right, so super simple. It timed out, so we're going to type in a frequency. Let's just call it whatever. Use your keypad, and we're going to call it 5. Well, let's see if we can hit quick. You have quick push and then easy button. So we'll just make up a name with a bunch of different letters in here. 5, 5, 5. And we'll just keep going down through here, making up a channel name. All right. The key that you have to remember is you save this name, all right? Now you're going to save it. You press the menu button once. Do you want to save it? You're going to press the menu button. You're going to hear a different tone. Now you've saved that channel. The next step is you could actually just type in 4, 5 or more channel names into the radio this way. All right, this sounds complicated, but once you've done it once, you're just gonna go through and knock it out super fast. All right, so we need to exit out of this, and then if you were to hit the exit button and get out of the menu, you see where channel is right below radio, 2 down. If you were to exit out, just come back into it. Hit menu, radio's at the top, 1, 2, you're on channel. Menu button, click, find the channel that you just programmed into it. All right, and there it is. That's the crazy name we just created. Click on it, click menu, and then this is your programming area here for your frequencies. Channel alias will tell you what the name of the radio is. You can change that if you want. Go down bandwidth, high or low, receive frequency. Hit menu button, type in your frequency. Remember, once again, the 0 is to the far right. So type in your frequency, save. Go down to transmit. Transmit frequency, type it in with your keypad, save. These are your tones. Now you can go up and down with your tones, or you can have none. To jump to the other side, you're going to use your arrow on this one, all right? And don't forget, save everything. Save, confirm, yes. Move down, squelch level, transmit power. You want high, you want low, you want medium. Make your choice. All right, 8, transmit permissions. This radio has all kinds of bells and whistles. Your scan list is super simple. If you want it to be on the scan list, you choose a scan list. No, and then you can change the name of the scan list in the scan options, but that's for a whole different video. So I'm not going to put that on a scan list. All right, now that channel that we just made up is in the radio. Exit out. Where is it? It is hiding in the back. There it is. You've just programmed one channel. Now you can repeat this. It's super simple. Once again, we'll do it short and sweet. Menu. Go up to radio. All right. Down to number 10. Save channel. All right. You're going to name the channel and then be sure to save it. You're going to hear that different tone. All right. I'm not going to save that channel. Then you come out. And you need to get out of this menu. And then radio zone channel, all right? If you get out of it, simple, by hitting that, just exit out of it. If you did that by mistake, just go back. Menu, channel. Find your channel, all right? Enter all the information. It's right there, super simple. Again, the control knob makes it easy to go up and down, and the arrows. We found the control knob easier. Anyways, I hope that helps. Y'all have a great one, and give us a shout out over on Facebook at deltasearchandrescue.com is our website, or our Facebook page is Delta Search and Rescue. Have a great one. Bye-bye. Hope that helps.